Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to cook water spinach. First, let's prepare this versatile green. Begin by trimming about 1 inch off the fibrous ends of the stems. It is helpful to separate the stems from the leaves because they cook at different rates. Next, wash the water spinach very well in cold water, perhaps 4 or 5 times, to ensure all dirt is removed. Finally, cut the stems into 2-inch pieces and the leaves into slightly larger sections. Now let's get cooking. For a classic stir-fry, heat a wok or large skillet over high heat with about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1 or 2 chopped chili peppers, cooking for around 30 seconds until fragrant. Introduce the tougher stem pieces first, stir-frying for about 1 minute. Then, add the tender leaves, continuing to stir-fry quickly for another 1 to 2 minutes, until they are just wilted and vibrant green. To truly elevate your water spinach, thoughtful seasoning is key. A tablespoon of light soy sauce or oyster sauce provides a wonderful savory base. You can balance the flavors with a pinch of salt and about 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. If your pan gets too dry, a splash of Shaoxing wine or chicken stock works wonders. For a deeper, richer umami, try adding 1/2 teaspoon of shrimp paste or fermented bean curd. Your delicious water spinach is now ready. It is best served immediately as a hot side dish, perhaps alongside steamed rice. Remember, the key is to avoid overcooking, which can result in a slimy texture and a less appealing dull green color. Beyond stir-frying, water spinach can be blanched for refreshing salads or incorporated into hearty soups. Feel free to experiment with other flavorful additions like sambal or XO sauce to discover your favorite combinations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.